Now, in this question of ancient India, we have to figure out the correct statements regarding the Buddhist stupas. To solve this question, first let's have a very basic information that Buddhist architecture can be divided into three basic categories: the stupas, the chaityas, and then the viharas. The viharas were mainly for the places for taking rest for the Buddhist monks. The chaityas were mainly the places for worship for the Buddhist monks. On the other hand, the stupas were mainly constructed on the relics of Buddha. It was believed that the relics of Buddha would energize the entire structure of the stupa. Now, if this is so, the second statement that says that the stupa was generally a repository of relics, it is correct. The stupas, being very sacred, they also emerged as the votive structures because there the Buddhist monks would take the sacred vows. Then they were also the commemorative structure because most of the stupas were created in the memory of Buddha and the great Buddhist monks and the great disciples of Buddha. So the third statement is again correct, that the stupa was votive and commemorative structure in Buddhist tradition. Now, when we talk about the first statement, most of the historians like Upinder Singh, they believe that in origin, the stupas might have predated the Buddhist age. So, though the stupa-like structure became very prominent in Buddhist age, in their origin, they would predate the Buddhist age. If this is so, the first statement is incorrect, that the concept of stupa is Buddhist in origin. And if this is so, the answer here is very simple, that only two statements, they are correct. Now, we get this information from the basic sources like NCERT and the higher sources like Upinder Singh. That is a very good book again on ancient and early medieval India.